In a quiet little town, nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, lived a curious young boy named Timmy. Timmy had a peculiar habit of asking questions about everything he saw, heard, or felt. One day, while playing by the river, he noticed something unusual. Two smooth, round stones, identical in size and shape, were resting on the riverbank. Timmy, intrigued, picked them up and examined them closely. They were smooth as silk, polished by the river's gentle current. He wondered what could be so special about these two stones. Timmy decided to find out. He took the stones to his wise old neighbor, Mr. Jenkins, who was known for his vast knowledge of the world. Mr. Jenkins listened attentively as Timmy explained his discovery. "Ah, the stones," Mr. Jenkins said, smiling. "They are not ordinary stones, my boy. These are river pebbles, formed over thousands of years by the river's continuous flow. But what makes these two special is that they are identical." "Identical? How could that be?" Timmy asked, his eyes wide with curiosity. "Well," Mr. Jenkins began, "you see, these stones have been through the same journey, experiencing the same currents, the same bumps, and the same polishing. They are a testament to the power of nature and the passage of time." Timmy thought for a moment, then asked, "So, what can I learn from these stones, Mr. Jenkins?" "Ah, my boy, the lesson here is about resilience and unity. Just like these stones, we too face challenges, but if we stay strong and united, we can weather any storm. Remember, it's not about being different, but about learning and growing together." Timmy left Mr. Jenkins' house with a newfound understanding. He continued to explore the world, seeking knowledge and wisdom wherever he went. And whenever he felt lost or confused, he would remember his two special stones, a reminder of resilience and unity. From that day forward, Timmy approached every challenge with a newfound strength, knowing that he was not alone in his journey. And he never forgot the lesson he learned from the two stones, a lesson that stayed with him throughout his life. So, the next time you come across two identical things, remember Timmy's story. You never know what lesson they might hold for you. After all, the world is full of secrets waiting to be discovered.